Hey everyone, welcome back to Cordova's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some charro frijoles. So on the stove I have a pot of beans going. I soaked them overnight, pinto beans, and so I have them boiling there. In the frying pan I have some bacon frying up, and after the bacon is done I chopped up some kielbasa sausage and fried that with the bacon, and we're going to let that fry until that is ready, and then we are going to be adding some vegetables. So here I added 2 tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 1.5 onion, chop all of it up, and about 4 cloves of garlic. And then you're going to let that fry really good with the bacon and sausage. Then you're going to add all of that into your pot of beans when they're almost finished. And you're going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. And doesn't that look super good? You'll just simmer it until the beans are completely cooked. And I made some homemade flour tortillas to go along with this. This is one of my husband's favorite dishes. So I had a few of those that I made to go along with the charro frijoles. Thanks for watching.